What's up, everyone? So it's been a while. So I got a catch can for the truck. Going to be installing one of these because I definitely have an oil problem. It's not so much blow by as it is just the PVC system just leaking. So what we got here? Okay. That's cool. Install instructions. Verify you have all the stuff. So what we got? Let's see. So it looks like we got 2 machine screws, 2 coarse mounting screws, okay. We got the 3 hose kits with fittings installed, yep. We got the angle mount bracket and the separator itself. Pretty simple. It's not quite the size I thought it was going to be, but that's good. Smaller than I expected. Okay, they got some oil on the threads. That's nice. Here's the screen for it. Pretty straightforward. So yeah, I look forward to installing this next. Alright. Alright, so it's windy, it's March, and it's 27 degrees out, but I gotta install this catch can. So, got the catch can, got my gloves, got some paper towels in a little bag, because I know there's gonna be probably some oil I'm gonna have to clean out of the intake piping. That's just some GoPro stuff. I got my bits and a little impactor. Should be fine for putting the screws in. So yeah, let's get to it. I'll pop the hood. Oh, it's cold. So cold. I wonder if those struts are gonna hold. All right. Throw some gloves on. Should probably double up on those. Alright, so I did read the instructions fully. I know it wasn't on camera, but you know, they do make it a point that you want to mount it low enough so that it doesn't hit the hood. And they have a recommended location for mounting it. So I'm probably going to go with what they recommend. So let's see. Let me grab this and see where they're recommending to install it. So that person has the tab broken off. I'm guessing it's I'm gonna go with right here. Yeah, that looks the best for me. Whoa. Well then. It is a little too cold for those struts. So let's see. Let's get the hardware bracket installed onto the catch can. Looks like it's going to be some Phillips. Toss these back in the bag for now so I don't lose them. Give this a little dack down. Cool. So there's that. We'll grab this. We'll go pick our location. I'm a little worried about this hood falling on my head. Would not be ideal. That or have it blow away. I'm gonna go with this top screw first. So let's see. That looks pretty good. Not sure how many people will take the time to actually put a level on it, but I'm not gonna. Wow, that's some thick plastic. So I did notice that the drill kind of hit this screw, which caused it to twist a little bit. Well, that thing's not going anywhere. Cool. All right. Well, there's that. So take this all apart. Ooh, it's cold. Hey guys, so I lost some footage doing this install, so I just wanted to clean this up a little bit and show you a little bit more. So on the J side of the catch can is the longer hose. What I did was I routed it and twisted it a little bit so it came up behind, connected right here to the back of the IAC valve, so intake air control valve. So then the short hose here, I ran down to the T, and pretty much what you're doing is you're rerouting from this T to the IAC. So what you're doing is you're going from this T into the catch can, filtering back out, and filtering back into the IAC, or the back side of it to the manifold. So just want to show that in a little bit more detail. Hopefully it's a little clearer to see. When it warms up a little bit, I'm gonna fit this hose on a little bit better, but for now this is what I could do. Ha, there goes the hood again. Man, is it cold. Cold and windy. Welcome to New York. Inside there. So this is the nastiest. Oh man. Parts of this. So having to disconnect that, pull this, and then what else is there attached? I don't think there's anything else attached. Oh, I lied. There's the vacuum. Oh, that's so nasty. Oh man. See? Catch can. It's definitely catch can time. Oof. Oh, this is gonna run so much better. I can only guess what the intercooler looks like, or heat exchanger, whatever you want to call them. I gotta get a smooth one of these, one of those JLT ones, or JLP, whoever makes them now. Ram Air, whatever they call them, elbow. Yeah, this thing's nasty. Whew. Oh. More and more oil. Surprisingly, I did this before my last oil change, so it really goes to show all the potentials of getting detonation and extra carbon on your pistons and just in your exhaust, your cats, on your O2 sensors. Just, oh man. Not good. Ford was lacking in this system for sure. And they know it. That's why the aftermarket community's, you know, solving their problems. Done. All right, we have to tighten that hose back there. When it's warmer out, it's definitely too cold to be doing this stuff. thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll do a follow-up video on this, and yeah, do like a progress review, how it's working for me and how it's going. I'm curious to see how like the next 100 miles will even show for how much oil it collects. Looking at the intake, how it is currently, just makes me think, you know, it's gonna collect a lot. I'm almost wondering if there's a little too much blow by, but all right, till the next video, thanks.